As a social media manager, I want to be able to schedule everything from Instagram posts to Instagram carousels and Instagram stories. Wait, did I just say Instagram stories? You can schedule Instagram posts by using a tool like Buffer. And you can schedule Instagram carousels by using Facebook's very own Creator Studio. But what about Instagram stories? First of all, the real question is, can Instagram stories even be scheduled? My friend, nothing's impossible. Instagram stories can be scheduled, and I have scheduled Instagram stories countless number of times. And your followers don't even get to know that you're scheduling Instagram stories. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can schedule Instagram stories from your laptop. Let's dive right in. This is a scheduled Instagram story, and I'm saying hello to everyone. So once you make a video like that, all you have to do is go on and schedule it using Storito. So this is storito.com, and you'll find the link for this app in the description. So it says create and schedule Instagram stories from your desktop PC. And it says auto post with no notifications required. And I'm sure you're looking for that kind of app only. And it allows you to add all of these tags, emojis, quizzes, polls, etc. And let me just log into the account. So when I log into the account, you get a UI like this. It's a pretty basic UI. It's directly asking me a file to upload, schedule, etc. Now the video is processed. It was very quick to process. I click on the video and I have the option to post or edit. I think I'll choose to edit because I want to edit stuff. It shows me that the timestamp of the video. I can choose a background. It's going to show me how it comes, like a small editor UI like this. And let me add something here. So it shows that it can add music, time, countdown, rectangle, and all of these smileys and stickers and whatnot. So let me add a poll. Add the poll. I'll add it here, and it shows me the perfect alignment too. So okay, so right now the time is 7 p.m. and let me schedule it for 7:05 p.m. It shows me like this, and I'm gonna make it 7:05. I'll keep the date and time exactly the same. And you can also add a swipe up link for accounts more than 10,000 followers. I really don't have. If you want to, you can follow me. So I click on schedule, and let's see if it gets scheduled. It's successfully scheduled. You can leave this screen right now. So I'm on my PC Instagram account. This is my account, and it says the story is already posted because I scheduled it at 19:05. So let me click on this. As you can see here, this is scheduled to everyone with the voice. Yes, it's already scheduled with the voice just 2 minutes ago. I'm going to pause it. Isn't that really interesting? That means this tool really works. Awesome. Well, this tool is not completely free, but it allows you to make the first 50 stories, schedule first 50 stories for free. And by the time you schedule the first 50 stories, you will get to know whether you need this tool in your life or not. Isn't that interesting? So, up to you. I just wanted to show this tool. This video is not sponsored by them in any way. So, go check out this tool from the link in the bio. Link in description. This is not Instagram, this is YouTube. The link in description. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with a new video next week. Until then, stay tuned and happy scheduling.